Hey Pud, if you are seeing this, I hope you had a wonderful new year. I am back with a unit from Beautyforever Hair. This is either coming out right before the new year or after the new year. The point is, I hope it was a good one, baby. I hope you're getting all the good feels, because truth is, I'm tired. Options are few, but I wanted to come through with a new unit from Beautyforever Hair. Here with a 5x5 Yaki wig from Beautyforever Hair. Now, she's 24 inches, okay? Wearing and wet to go. When I tell you, you have 30 minutes, you have 30 minutes. Yes, I'm just throwing this on the floor. I'm getting ready to go to, Joe has a gig in Mesquite, Nevada. Do not know where that is, but I'm going. And I said, you know what? I want something different. I want something new. Beyonce. You picking up what I'm putting down? This unit, okay, take a look at the cap construction. She is a 5x5. She has our adjustable band and only one comb in the back, okay? Can you see that? One comb in the back. This is her. The texture of the hair is beautiful and it's soft. Look at the movement. Beautyforever Hair also gave us 2 wig caps. We received this beautiful bag that it came in. A wig bag for storage, some nails, super cute, and our band, our lace band. Let me just throw this on so you guys can see what I'm working with. I want to see how much, if we got to like darken this or whatever the case may be, or how much I have to darken this lace. Let us see. Now, I really just wanted something different. I've been wearing highlights for, like I said, almost a month now. And I'm just missing dark hair. That's my truth. So I said, you know what? Since it's going to be New Year's Eve or whatever, let me pull up on them with something different. Okay. So this is it with nothing done, babies. Nothing done. Okay. I'm going to straighten her, but I'm going to shut my mouth and I'm going to straighten her, and then I'm going to see you all on the other side. So I'm just going to do her straight. Nothing. Am I going to add a curl? Maybe. I'm only opening this up so you guys can see the contrast. The hair is really dark, and so is my shirt. But, she's cute. Okay. I'm going to shut my mouth. I'm going to get her together. All right, y'all. Like most people, we love an easy install, but this means that we need to start with darkening our lace. I'm using my Danessa Myricks Yummy Blur Skin Balm in the color number 9 to darken up this lace, okay? Because this is a unit that we're supposed to be able to throw on and go, which means she got to be skin tone, baby. She got to be matched down. Now, this unit is 24 inches. She's a 5x5 lace closure at 180% density, and she's currently going for $289 on beautyforeverhair.com. I'm going on through with my Andy straightening comb just really to hit this unit up at the root. Now, if you are new to this channel, I am giving you wigs fresh out the pack. We are working girls over here. We ain't got all these hours to be laying wigs and spreading it low and dipping it wide. We don't have all that time. We're trying to throw a unit on our head, look good, and hit the road, Jack. So I'm going on through with my Hot Tools rose gold flat irons just to go on and straighten this out as best as possible. But take a look at the luster of this unit. It's really, really beautiful. Not only that, but this hair moves to the touch, which is also good to see in a Yaki texture wig, because that says to me she's not giving crunch and munch at all, okay? She just needed a little bit of love, sex, and magic to get her looking the way that she is supposed to look. Now, while I was doing this, I want to talk about the cap construction. This unit does not have any combs on the inside of this cap, and I want to fight about it. It only has a comb in the back. It does have an adjustable band. But to me, when we're doing a glueless unit, and I'm saying it's not just for Beautyforever Hair, but any wig brand that's listening, put the Mary Tetton combs in the cap. Put the Mary Tetton combs in the cap, okay? We want a secure install just like you want to give it to us, boo. So act like it. So now I'm going on through getting this unit together. Again, very seamless hairstyle. We only going to give her a little bit of love and sex and magic because she is doing all the work. Let me say, and I'm going to see you on the other side. The texture of this hair I'm not going to say it's stunning. I'm going to say it's very, very nice. It's soft. And the texture of the hair is beautiful, okay? So sometimes when you get a Yaki texture hair, it feels like sandpaper-esque. This one does not. Love that. What I don't like so much is that this is not a big cap. It's a very small cap, and I have a small head. So that means it's probably around 23 inches. And from what I could see, you can't customize the size of the cap. So that's something that you guys need to be privy to. Like, I feel like on the sides, which normally I just do one of these. So then just in case we get a gust of wind, let me push this back so you guys can see what I did. Just in case you get a gust of wind, I like to pull out my edges a little bit. You know what I mean? So they can kind of like blend in a bit. So it just looks like coming out the scalp. I'm going to give it a little bit of heat. That's just who I am. Okay. And then you have like a seamless look. Now, it feels to me like it's not secure. When I say secure, it means I want it to be tighter. And I want it to feel more secure. Now, two things is going on here. I have very thick hair. And my hair is only in 2 braids. And in theory, I think if I have on a cap, which normally I don't wear a wig cap, but if I did have a wig cap on, that would make a difference on how secure this felt. So I'm going to give it to me and not to them that it feels this way, but I want to give you guys the experience that I'm having right now. I really do enjoy, like I said, this is 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. I do worry that she's going to get like that greasy, stringy look. Hate that for all of us. But that's nothing a little dry shampoo won't fix. Mind her, because she's supposed to be throw this hoe up on your head and get the hell up out the house. Which I'm supposed to do. I'm sitting up here chit-chatting with y'all, but I'm really supposed to be in the streets. Do you see that? Okay. Just so you know. She's outside. She's outside. I could do a little something with her. I don't really have much else to say. I gave you guys all of the details for this unit. She did not shed. She didn't tangle either. Okay? She doesn't feel sandpapery. Like I said, she's very lightweight. I love the way that she's moving. Okay? Can really appreciate that. Okay, Beautyforever Hair, we see what you did. But they're OGs, so we know they're going to come through and give us something good and simple, but like straight to the point. Sometimes you just need a reliable hair brand, and for me, Beautyforever Hair is one of them. Okay, bud, I'm on my way out. So I wanted to give you guys a final look of this unit. I'm all done. Really, really beautiful. So I want to give you guys a real update. Since I've gotten this unit from Beautyforever Hair, she's 24 inches, a Yaki straight unit, a 5x5 closure. Since I've received this unit, I've worn her for a week straight. So this is a week from the beginning of this video, okay? And here are my actual takes. It scrunches up a bit in the back. There's something going on in the back where kind of like Purple Pack Outre, Purple Pack Outre give you a little hump in the bump. Now, it's not visible. I can feel it. Like when I'm running my finger, it kind of gets knotty at the nape of the neck. However, the rest of it, perfectly fine. This unit is 180% density, okay? She's currently going for just under, I believe, $275 on beautyforeverhair.com, okay? I personally really like this unit. She's super easy to get together. I didn't even get sometimes what I worry about is the greasy look. When you have straight hair, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. I did not experience that at all. I want to reiterate that I've been wearing this for a week straight. I go to sleep, snatch it off, go to sleep, wake up, throw it on, over and over and over again. And honestly, today was the first day I even added extra heat to her. Every other day, I've just kind of just been chilling in her, and she's been working. So I wanted to just come back and give you guys like a little refresher. Again, this unit is under $275 on beautyforeverhair.com. If I had to say whether or not you should buy her, if you're looking for something that is kinky, like this Yaki texture straight, really mimicking that permed brown girl hair. You know what I mean? That blowout. If you're looking for something that's mimicking that, this is the unit for you. I really do like this hair. Like I said, it has the nape of the neck action and everything like that. But other than that, I really don't see any issue with this hair at all. She does shed. She does shed to the point where sometimes I worry, like if I'm sitting, I mean, it didn't pull out anything when I did that, so I think that's a pretty good look. But I was sitting on my girlfriend's bed in a hotel, and I was thinking, I wonder if my hair is, like, on her pillow or whatever the case may be. So, I mean, she wouldn't mind. She could blonde her hair on her pillow, so she not worried about my hair. Hell, her man hair on the pillow. He got hair, too. So, the point I'm trying to make is, okay, Beautyforever hair. I am feeling like a Beautyforever in this. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Buzz down. Subscribe to this Baby Tatum channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Bye.